U.S. stocks are lower this morning as Meta has its worst open since October of 2022, down 13.8%. Caterpillar warned for the next quarter, dropped 7.3%, and Boeing troubles have caused Southwest Airlines to drop over 9% on the open. Given all that, we have equities lower. The Russell's down 1.85%, the Dow's down 1.8%, NASDAQ down 1.79%, and the S&P down 1.56% as I speak to you right now. We also have the U.S. growing at a slower pace with advanced Q1 GDP coming in at up 1.6% below expectations and marking the second consecutive quarter of deceleration. Meanwhile, jobless claims fell unexpectedly to their lowest level in 2 months at 207,000. All of that putting rates higher. 2-year is at 5.02%, up 13 basis points. 5-year up 11 at 475. 10-year up 8 at 473. 30-year up 6 at 484. The rate cuts by the Fed in the U.S. have now been moved out to December being the first rate cut according to the probabilities in the SOFR market. Gold, silver, crude all lower on this. Copper higher again, this time by 1.3%. PCE data is out tomorrow. In today's GDP figures, we got the quarterly PCE price data, and that came in much stronger than expected. Now, these are not highly watched by the Fed, but tomorrow we do get the month-over-month and year-over-year PCE numbers, and they're expected to be unchanged to slightly higher. Given what we got today, these figures are going to be more important tomorrow than they otherwise would have been. Now, looking ahead, earnings after the market close, 87 companies with $1 billion in market cap or more, including Microsoft, Intel, Alphabet, Snap, Roku, T-Mobile, and Gilead Sciences. Before the open tomorrow, we get another 34 companies with a market cap of $1 billion or more, including Exxon, Chevron, Phillips 66, Imperial Oil, AbbVie, Colgate-Palmolive, Charter Communications, and AutoNation. Data tonight, Bank of Japan interest rate decision and its quarterly economic outlook. Tomorrow, industrial profits in China and in the U.S. We get that March PCE inflation data that I talked about, along with University of Michigan consumer sentiment data.